new experiment with eggs and vinegar. Let's start. What we need is eggs, and we need a glass and vinegar. I'm gonna pour the vinegar in the glass now. That's enough. Now we're gonna put our egg inside. It's a real egg, so we have to put a real egg in. Just drop it in carefully in the vinegar. Do you see what bubbles is coming? Do you know what is happening with vinegar? The vinegar is an acid. The acid makes the egg shell dissolve. You have to leave it one day and then it will come like a bouncy egg. The shell is completely dissolved. Guys, one day has passed and we'll wash it and show it to you. Do you see, guys? The bubbles are not coming back up because the acid did its work. So we're going to take it out. And then I'm going to clean it and then show it to you. Take this out. This is really hard to even take it out. Look guys, it kind of looks kind of different than we put it in. Okay, I'm going to wash it. And the eggshell is not hard anymore, it's soft. Like we can remove it. Okay, I'm done. Guys, look how different it is, and it's kind of squishy. Guys, do you want to see the sounds? Did you see that? Okay, now look how cool it is. Cool. I think there's something else we can do. We can even make it glow. First, we have to off all the light. On the lamp, I'm gonna put the egg and show how it glows to you. Ta-da! It's like golden, like a golden egg. Look at my egg. Very pretty. Look how the egg looks. So pretty. Thank you for watching us. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button. Check so you can watch a lot of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye.